Welcome back to Algo Traders Program ATP from Market Secrets. This is episode 25 of this series, and in this episode we are going to talk about weekly returns, monthly returns and yearly returns that we expect the ATP bot to generate. In the last episode, we talked about maximum profit and maximum loss limit that we can expect from our bot on a daily basis. And in this episode, we are going to talk about weekly, monthly, and yearly returns that we expect from our algo trading bot. In general, any trading strategy is not future proof. So we can't be certain about the returns that will be generated, but based on the past performance, we can predict approximately how the bot can do in the future. So let's start with weekly returns. So what sort of weekly returns we can expect from this bot? Well, honestly, nil. You cannot expect a weekly return from this bot, and we are not targeting any weekly returns as well. Some week might end positively, some week might end negatively, and some week may not have any trades at all, or it might have zero returns. So expecting weekly return is not something that is realistic from this bot. So with weekly returns out of picture, what about the monthly expected returns? When it comes to monthly expected returns, we expect the bot to produce net positive outflow at the end of every month. So we expect the bot to generate some profits at the end of every month. But there can be some exceptions here and there. So maybe a month or maybe in 1 or 2 months in a year, we may see the bot not producing any positive outflow or even generating a small negative outflow. And that's expected as well, but most probably we expect the bot to generate net positive outflow at the end of every month. And now when it comes to yearly returns, we expect yearly returns from this bot to be anywhere around 20 to 40 percentage. That is 20 to 40 percentage per annum is the expected returns that we expect from this bot. But like I mentioned earlier, this is based on the past performances, and when it comes to market, past performance won't assure returns in the future. These are the returns that we got through this bot in the last 3 years, and this is what we saw when we backtested as well. And that is something we expect the bot to continue to generate in the future as well. But market is supreme, and we will just get what it generates year on year ultimately. This brings us to the end of today's episode. So we have a separate demo Telegram alert channel for everyone who is interested in algo trading. This is where our algo trades and results are published on a daily basis, and this is where we share all the updates regarding ATP. Link to the channel is available in the description section of this video. Please join if you're interested. Also, we are providing real-time live feed for our algo trades on a daily basis in our YouTube channel. So if you want to look at how the algo is doing on a real time during the market hours, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get invitations for these sessions. Stay tuned for this exciting journey.